let's divide the world of real estate into residential and commercial. Residential real estate, you gotta do 3 steps. You gotta focus on the market, focus on a specific type, let's say 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, whatever, and then understand the values. So when you know this area is selling at 500,000, for example, and then you can find something at 400,000, you go from being afraid to move forward to being excited about getting it at 400, because you know you can either rent it, it's gonna cash flow, or you can flip it at 480 and you're gonna get out quick and you're gonna make some money and just have to avoid taxes, reduce taxes, etc. So in residential, you're constantly trying to find a deal below market, and as the market goes up, flat, down, you're trying to buy below and sell at, buy below, sell creatively, etc. When it comes to commercial, I pay full price. Sometimes I even overpaid on some properties in the past. But the upside was so huge, I bought them from a broker, listed at the asking price, bid against some others, and when I got it, I changed the layout, I split the space, put 2 big tenant jewelers downstairs, took the upstairs, made one section as a medical office, the other section residential, the doctor who leased here, leased across, made it a cash cow, and then refinanced and cashed out. I did it before where the bank said, no, I'm not gonna refinance for another year. Refinance with us, we don't charge you the prepayment. So you just don't always have to find this desperate seller. You can just find an opportunity in commercial. But in commercial, you make a good deal. In residential, you find a good deal.
I love that, the idea that you're seeing, eventually you begin to see things that other people don't see.